saying these are important issues that are being raised by the opposition, that they have been elected for this. The government, though, says that this was a motion of thanks to the president's speech. And that is what the opposition should be speaking about. My colleague Nyamika is on the broadcast with us. And Nyamika, opposition leaders backing Rahul Gandhi, the Congress party and opposition leaders continuing to say that Rahul Gandhi is not being allowed to speak.
Well, if you remember, then within the House as well, it was Akhilesh Yadav only who stood in support of Rahul Gandhi. He said that if the leader of opposition is trying to give some suggestions for the nation's interest, for the national security, then he should be allowed to speak within the House. And that is what he has repeated when he was speaking to the media. He said that the MPs got elected. They come to parliament only to raise these important matters. So if the leader of opposition wants to speak anything which is related to the national security, which is related to China, then he should have been allowed to speak within the House as well. But on the other side, we have also listened to the statements coming in on the part of the BJP. They are basically saying that it is the responsibility of the leader of opposition to maintain the parliamentary decorum as well. He should also follow the rules, and if the book which he was quoting, if it has not been published till now, then how can he use such kind of quotes within the House? It is completely against the rules. But on the other side, we have seen that how Rahul Gandhi, when he was not being allowed to speak within the Lok Sabha, he had given a bite to the media in which he questioned Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well as Defence Minister. He said that I just wanted to raise this matter just by speaking 2 to 3 lines in which he wanted to clarify that what actually happened when the Chinese tanks entered into our territory. He even raised a question making allegation against the Prime Minister, saying that the responsibility, the duty of the leader of a nation is to show the right direction instead of running away from taking decisions. Okay. That is the kind of attack which he has made upon the Prime Minister. He basically trying to say that these are the questions which are making the Defence Minister and the Prime Minister uncomfortable, and that is the only reason why he was not being allowed to speak within Lok Sabha.
Okay, so Rahul Gandhi claims that the government is running away from a discussion. We have reactions coming in from the Congress party. Let's listen in.
The autobiography of General M.M. Narawane, 4 Stars to Destiny, seems to upset the government greatly. Obviously, there are some very inconvenient truths in the book which the government does not want the nation to know about. But while they can throttle the voice of the opposition within the House, the truth of what General Narawane has written will come out. And if they feel so strongly that what the former army chief has done is erroneous, they must proceed against the army chief under the military code.
So the big showdown continues. Nyamika, do stay with us. We also have more details coming in on what the opposition plans ahead of the parliament reconvening tomorrow and what the government is saying as well. For now, a very quick break. Stay with us.